Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Garth, and guess what we're gonna be making today? A Spiderman mask. Whip swing time. Okay, so in this video, you're gonna need a sandwich bag. If you don't have a sandwich bag, you could just use what do you call that? Ziploc. And you're gonna need tape, eraser, and pencil. So let's get started. Oh, and you're also going to need a red piece of paper. So, you could also measure your head, but I'm not doing it because we're going to do stuff that makes it shorter for you. So, draw a curve like that. And then do the exact same thing on the other side. Okay, so now it should look like this. Now in the bottom part, it's going to be different. You're going to do a bigger one. Okay, so now it should look like that. Now, what you're going to do is cut it out. Okay, so now once you got that cut out, you should have something like this. Now what you're going to do is fold it in half. Try to make it as perfect as you can. Now, take your pencil and draw the eye. Like this. Draw a line and then curve it out like that. And now what you're gonna do is take your scissors and cut it out. Okay, so now once you got that cut out, you should have something like that. And tape it from the back side also. So you should not tape it in the front. See, I'm telling you, it'll look bad if you don't tape it. So tape it on the back side because you don't want it to be seen from the front. Okay, so now once you got that taped, flip it over and you can draw everything. So like draw the webs. So okay, so now once you got everything like that, you could draw, draw my pencil. So now you could draw the border of the eyes. Just kind of do the same thing. Okay, so now once you do the border you should also color this in. And also do the same thing on the other side. Now what you're going to do, this is the most important part to make it 3D. So take this and fold it like that. Then tape it. Okay, so now once you got everything like that, you can see I also did some here and the top and also some on the corners and edges. And once you're done, and you can also put a string to help you wear it. And now the last thing is you're gonna take these, stick it on it, stick it. Okay, so now once you got that taped, it's like a protection. You should also do it on both sides. And that's it for the video. Bye guys. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.